BigBuy is a European dropshipping and wholesale platform that connects online sellers with thousands of products across multiple categories. It promises easy product sourcing, automated order fulfillment, and integrations with popular e-commerce platforms. But the real question is, should you try it before watching this? Now, to be fair, BigBuy is an established dropshipping platform that's been used by many online retailers, particularly in Europe. What it does well: large product catalog. It offers thousands of products across categories like home, electronics, beauty, toys, and fashion. E-commerce integrations. BigBuy integrates with platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, PrestaShop, and various online marketplaces. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a passive income machine. You'll still need to find customers, run marketing campaigns, and provide customer support. Competition is high. Many sellers may be offering the same products, making it difficult to stand out without strong branding. Subscription costs add up. Access to integrations and premium features often requires paid plans, which can affect profitability. Your success depends on product selection. Even with automation, choosing poor products or ineffective marketing can lead to disappointing sales. So, should you try BigBuy? Short answer: yes, if you're serious about building an e-commerce business. If you're targeting European customers and want an automated dropshipping platform, BigBuy can be a solid option. But don't expect it to generate sales without significant effort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.